Ever wondered what really happens when you crack your knuckles? Your joints are filled with synovial fluid, which has gases dissolved in it. When you pull or stretch your fingers, the joint space widens, and gas bubbles form and collapse. That's the pop you hear. Cracking your knuckles does not cause arthritis. It's generally safe if it's painless and gentle, but forcing it too hard can stretch ligaments, cause sprains, or even dislocations. If you feel pain, swelling, or grinding, see a doctor. Be gentle, stop if it hurts. Don't ignore persistent issues. So yes, that pop is just gas bubbles, not your bones breaking. Follow for more quick science facts.